To stop your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from vibrating when you do touch interaction, you have to disable system vibration for touch interaction. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Tap system vibration. Under vibration feedback section, tap the blue on off switch next to touch interaction until the switch turns green to turn it off. When this option is off, your phone will not vibrate when you are doing touch interaction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.